just to mention, this is like how Chhota Bheem ka sabse favorite ice cream. Like, and please let us know in the comments whatever your feedback is. And this is how it looks. And they have a Have More ka branding. And when we saw the name, we are like intrigued, like really intrigued. And you will get to know just why it is. This says scan QR to visit our YouTube channel. Bachal Tar Bachal Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar. I have no idea, but Baba Sahib Ambedkar ka naam hai to definitely. I have to check it. What does it means? How Chhota Bheem, it has this packaging. I don't know. Just look at it. Tuntun Chhota Bheem in volume 144. Tuntun's love story. Created Rajiv Chilaka's story by Nidhi Anand. And let's see what it's to offer. And this cost 191. So like, let's give it a shot. We are anyhow reading other different mangas, but let's see. But it's maybe a lot of things I hate about it. I even once given a test for the studio and I just don't like the quality of it and I complained about it कि नहीं करना है मेरे को. But anyhow, like हमारे उस मॉड्यूल में था कि आपको उसका टेस्ट देना पड़ेगा. When I was studying in Mac, it's same like Arena, दोनों सेम ही उसके एपटेक इंडिया के अंडर ही आते हैं दोनों. So उधर एंड आई हैव सीन हिम फॉर 2-3 ओकेजन्स. मुंबई में आप काम करोगे मतलब कहीं ना कहीं यू विल bump into that person. He is good, but the way he does lot of things, but and a lot of things is like crime patrol wala scene ki TV पे वही आता है बार बार, तो don't have any choice and it is. So it's Tuntun Mossy's scene on Pogo green gold animation, and this is but you cannot sell like how have more ice cream, खाओ छोटा भीम का सबसे collect करो free toys, and they like tattoos, fridge magnet, toys, and दुनिया like छोटा भीम क्योंकि वही दिखता है. Green Gold licensing and merchandise private limited, blah blah blah. This is rainbow sparkles, but you are selling kids sugar in the name of Chhota Bheem, which is not nice. You should not like at least have some ethics, but I don't believe. But it's okay. I just wanted to see. So curiosity. And इसको हम थोड़ा प्यार से रख देते साइड में. This is Chhota Bheem Tuntun love story, and one fine day on a small chutki sees her mother total blessing see a dry blue rose which is hit blah blah blah. So yeah, it is. I think they just created a. It just I. So it's like a entire thing. They did not did anything much. They did in a 2D style. They just draw the frames and just added speech bubbles. So it's basically like a storyboard kind of a thing. But yeah, nice. But they could have gotten for a lot of. It's like very action frames comics में जैसे रहता है, which is also it's very difficult to compare. I know you might. It's like oh, you cannot compare. That's true. Like in a different way. So there is a monster. This. Spoiler भी क्या ही करे. But yeah, I thought it will be much more interesting, but it is not. It's like a very basic. Then they are selling action figures also available at Green Gold store and leading reading outlets. This, and this is Chhota Bheem comic book, and these are the series. I think among my like plush packs. This are blocks, and it has all the posts and all of them. Just wanna show you something. He immediately takes out the catapult. And they call this guy Kalia, a bad, like, chubby person. So, okay, bye bye. Up to you.